Hello, so today my name is Shaivo Shenon, and today I'm going to present about the Electroslag Welding report. As for today, in the Electroslag report, there this picture gonna tell you that the component of it. So we have filler wire, consumable guide, rail for the welding, and for the slag pool with the metal pool and weld. So the process is a heat source that have electric current passing between a consumable electrode and the workpiece to the molten slag. For the preparation, you need to have the gap filled with the welding flux. In the initiation for the using, so you have to be having arc between electrode and workpiece, create the initial heat to be forming of the slag, and then the heat melt the flux and forming the molten slag. So in this process have to be temperature about 3500 Fahrenheit or 1930 degrees Celsius, melting electrode and the workpiece edge for each edge. So the welding are the metal droplet from the electrode joint with the weld pool. In this advantage of the electroslag welding have high deposition rate up to 45 pounds per hour or 20 kilogram per hour. And for the low slag composition are about 5% of the deposit on the metal weight and low distortion of the unlimited thickness of the workpiece. So next disadvantage of electroslag welding corrodes again the structure with the weld and low toughness. Only vertical position is possible. So next we have the tools and material. In the material we have filler metal and metal that are well joined workpiece together. Flux turn electricity into high create slag. Power source provide the electrical current for heat. Retaining blocks hold workpiece in place. Welding head that have control the slag direction. Wire feeder are the feeders that fill the metal into the weld pool. And last, wide guide is to protect the electrode from the slag composition. So in conclusion, ESW or electroslag welding is a valuable welding process for application requiring high quality deep penetrating like this picture, and in thick metal section, it advantage in terms of productivity, quality, and versatility, make it popular choice in the industry such as shipbuilding, construction, and manufacturing. These are all about the ESW, electroslag welding, for most of our industry that are picking and use. So thank you very much for my presentation.